You are looking at a 30W ultraviolet lamp of our production, designed to replace the lamp from those in bactericidal units. It is a low-pressure, mercury-free, ozone-free, all-violet glass quartz lamp similar to the Philips TUV30 lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics: the bulb has 2 metal bases with 2 pins on either side. Power 30W, operating current 0.3A, their emission power 12W. Dimensions: the length of the lamp is 908.8 mm, arc length 894.6 meter. The diameter of the tube is 26 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 25 mm. 9,000 hours of service life. All technical parameters you can see in the lamp passport on the website. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft protection filler inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for any bactericidal installations: lamps, quartz covers, power supply, gaskets and connectors.
All of our lamps have a special EVL Light Power Plus compound applied to the inner surface.
Developed by E-Well engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the efficiency of the lamp's roux service. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.